Welcome to Madallah TV. In this video, I will show you how to delegate your Cakecore in order to earn reward using MetaMask. Follow me. First and foremost, you should log in to your MetaMask wallet and go to your core account. After you go to your core account, you should click on this eye icon near setting icon in order to search for Cakecore.io site so that you will delegate your Cakecore there. After you write Cakecore.io and search for it, when it appears, you will then click on connect. If you connect the wallet, you will then go to option site and choose delegate. After you choose delegate, then you should stay for a while. Okay, as you can see, the reward you can get when you stake your cake, you can get 100%. The core also you can get 100%. You should then click on deposit under cake delegated. As you can see, you can even delegate either Cakecore or core, or both Cakecore and core as well. For the purpose of this video, we are going to delegate Cakecore. We should click on deposit and wait for a while. Okay, let us persevere for a while. As you can see, here is our balance, 3,744 cake. I decided to delegate 3,500 cake so that I will be earning reward from my delegation. As you can see, okay, I made a mistake. Let me remove 10 so that I will delegate the exact 3,500. We should then click on delegate and wait for the transaction to be processing. Okay, the transaction is now processing. As you can see, here is the gas fee they are going to charge from my core balance. Okay, we should then click on confirm and wait for a while. As you can see, it is still searching. Transaction submitted. Now our transaction was submitted. We should then wait for the okay. As you can see, now the status of our staking is okay. Now we have already staked or delegated 3,500 cake. As you can see, I have even started gaining cake